In the endless silence of deep space, a place where no air carries sound and no light moves unbent, Voyager 2 drifts onward. A lone craft powered only by the slow decay of atoms, sailing through the dark, sending back fragments of the unknown. But something recently shifted. Hidden within its old transmissions, long dismissed as static, a fragment resurfaced. Not by accident, but through artificial intelligence trained to see patterns invisible to human eyes. And what it revealed was chilling. This wasn't a glitch. It had structure, symmetry, intention. As though Voyager 2 hadn't only captured space, but something inside it, watching. Since their launches in the 1970s, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 have become far more than machines. They're humanity's furthest eyes. Voyager 1 swept past Jupiter and Saturn, while Voyager 2 was sent on a stranger path, to Uranus and Neptune, rewriting what we thought we knew. In 1981, its flyby of Saturn shocked scientists. Rings once assumed simple and static were revealed as braided, knotted, sculpted, a dance of chaos and order intertwined. But Uranus, in 1986, held deeper surprises. Voyager 2 discovered hidden moons, secret rings, and a magnetic field so twisted it seemed alive. It even survived plunging through a plasmoid, a colossal magnetic bubble erupting from the planet. The image flagged by AI came from this very moment, just before Voyager's instruments flickered oddly. For decades, that frame was labeled as noise. But when modern algorithms reprocessed it, they found faint, undeniable geometry. At first glance, it looked like a torus, a magnetic ring shape. But the interior pattern was too clean, too deliberate, like circuitry. As if something artificial had slipped into view, or had always been there. The data was original. Untouched. Not corruption. Not chance. Years later, as Voyager drifted past the solar system's edge into the interstellar medium, its plasma wave detector caught something unexpected, a constant, faint hum. The first ever direct sound of space between the stars. But then, that hum began to pulse. A rise and fall. A rhythm. Not random, but regular. Some asked, was this natural turbulence that only looked intelligent? Or intelligence cloaked in natural disguise? Amid the debate, others turned back to Voyager's most famous image, the pale blue dot. Carl Sagan's reflection of Earth, small and fragile in a sunbeam. But the new AI-enhanced image raised a haunting counter-question. What if that perspective, watching this from afar, was never ours alone? Adding to the mystery, a retired engineer revealed a forgotten 1986 log entry. It described a 2.4-second surge where Voyager's systems all flickered at once. At the exact instant the strange image was recorded. Too brief for damage. Too precise to be coincidence. Something had come close, closer than we realize. And then, it was gone. Even the AI that uncovered the image behaved strangely. It froze mid-process. It flagged harmless data as hazardous. At one point, it shut itself down, classifying the pattern as a cognitive hazard. Was this a bug? Or did the machine recognize something it wasn't built to face? Patterns appeared elsewhere too. Voyager's plasma data formed a perfect fractal spiral. Not once, but twice, then stopped forever. Not random, but deliberate. Like a knock on the door. An anthropologist who studied ancient star lore noticed something even stranger. The geometry in Voyager's image resembled patterns found in Babylonian carvings and Aboriginal Dreamtime sky maps. She didn't claim aliens drew them, but that humans, for millennia, may have glimpsed the same thing. A universal memory echoed across cultures. Now, that memory may have photographic proof. Perhaps this was no message at all, but a footprint, a trace of presence near Voyager, near us. Voyager 2 was never meant to interfere, only to witness. And yet, it may have done more. It may have crossed into someone else's domain. Not pioneers, but trespassers. And once the veil has been lifted, even slightly, the world cannot go back. Because the greatest fear is not that we are alone. The greatest fear is that we never